Sesame and peanut noodles. Prepare the ingredients. Place the sesame seeds in a frying pan and toast over a medium heat until light golden in colour. Then set aside. Place a large pot of water on a high heat, bring to the boil. When boiling, add the red wholemeal noodles and cook until al dente. Drain, rinse and set aside. Meanwhile, grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Finely slice 2 garlic cloves. Grate the zest of 1 lemon. Roughly chop 1 handful of coriander leaves. Finely slice 2 scallions. Thinly slice half a red cabbage. Thinly slice 1 red and 1 yellow capsicum. For the peanut dressing, place the peanut butter in a saucepan. Add 1 cup of homemade coconut milk. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce.